Hello everyone. As you may have seen it, a new year is starting, and here at ATC, we are all ready for it. And this year we will continue to recycle, upcycle, transform, and create beautiful projects for you. So before we begin with the new projects, I would like to give you all my best wishes on behalf of the entire ATC team. And I hope that all your projects will be kicking off. And this year, the goal stays the same for us. And as you may have seen it in the last videos that we've been sharing with you, the goal is to inspire you to create things instead of throwing them away. You know, we have a lot of recycled materials around us. We can use them and create beautiful furniture. And of course, this year, we will be launching even more services for you, like the online programmer, or even becoming a partner. Because you know now, we are working with several companies, several organizations. So more and more companies are reaching out to us in order to present ideas, in order to present products, and we are very happy about that. And of course, a big thanks to you, to the partners, for being part of it, for believing with us in a new way of upcycling, new way of recycling, and of course, a new way of living. Stay creative and stay curious. And let's make this year even better together. Once again, Happy New Year 2026, and I will see you pretty soon.